Tired of struggling with aftermarket stereo installations that never quite fit right? Imagine swapping out your old factory stereo for a sleek new double-din system without the hassle or gaps. That's exactly what you get with Scosche's precision-designed dash kit, built to fit perfectly in your factory location and match your car's original dash color and texture. I recently upgraded my 2013 Hyundai Sonata's stereo using this kit, and the difference was clear from the start. The dash kit's gapless fit made the new stereo look like it came straight from the factory. It supports double-din stereos with a maximum screen size of 3 and 13/16 by 6 and 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm, so you can choose from a wide range of modern units. Installation was surprisingly easy. No special tools needed, just the clear, step-by-step instructions included in the package. What truly sets Scosche apart is their commitment to quality and support. With over 40 years in the business, they back their products with a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. That means whenever you have questions or run into a snag, their expert team is just a call away, ready to help for as long as you own the product. If you're looking to upgrade your car's stereo system with confidence and ease, this dash kit is worth a look. If that's you, someone who wants a flawless stereo upgrade without the guesswork, Scosche's dash kit delivers exactly what you need. It's designed to fit like a glove, install with ease, and last for years. Try it when you're ready to transform your car's audio experience with a professional, clean look and peace of mind backed by decades of expertise.